Hey guys, what's up here? Deathwolf here. Today we are. Hang on, I gotta check real quick. I'm pretty sure I'm still filming. Today we are playing another Dead by Daylight. So yeah. Um. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe. Okay. Wow, that's convenient. A chest right here. That's just convenient. Ooh, medkit. I remember being. Oh, killer's over there. The killer got someone. Crap. Oh, that was very close. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Oh, I don't have a... This isn't suspicious. Oh. Oh, I think I know exactly what killed... Joe, I got the samurai, dude. Ah! That was good. Son of a gun. Son of a gun! Ooh! No, 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 you juke. Dude, how? Bruh. I hate this dude. I even hate that part, actually. Like, literally, I cannot get out. Why would they update it to where, like... I'm not even gonna move. I'm not even gonna move. Well, he's gone now. Thank you. I'm getting away from here. Jesus. Oh, he saw me. He totally... He did not see me go in. Dude. This guy seriously did not see me. Joe. Dude. There's no way he did not see me that, like, actually do that. Oh, sorry to make it shake like that, but my phone was about to turn off. Okay. I'm not even... Just so you guys know, this might cut out. I don't know if the video might cut off. I'm just letting you guys know. I don't know if the video might cut out, so be prepared for that. That's what would... This is not a place I'm going to be at. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay, she scared me. Straight off the bat, I got that. Ugh. Frick. Oh, frick, yeah. Nope, running. Oh, crud. Crud. Joe, I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh, that person that's being dragged right now is on their, like, last life. Okay, gotta save this guy. Never mind, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. How did he move so fast? Kind of in the middle of not, like, dying right now. Oh, boy. Oh, really wish Gage did not leave, because I was literally filming right there, dude. Take that! That's karma! Oh god, this guy's fast! What? How? How? No! 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 I'm not gonna make it easy for this guy. This is what I don't like. Why do you have to press LB now just to escape? That's so unfair. Yeah, well, I might die here anyway, so this might be a really short video. This is gonna be a very short video. I'm not sure how long I can live. Okay. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yep, there it is. Alright, guys, that's probably gonna be the end of this video. If you wanna leave a like and subscribe, that'd be real great. And yeah.